Rotator cuff. This is the group of 4 muscles and the tendons which surround the head of the humerus within the shoulder socket, which called the glenoid cavity, like this. To easily remember the name of these muscles, just remember the acronym SIDS, which refer to the first letter of the names: supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis. Supraspinatus muscle originate in the supraspinous fossa, just above the structure which called the spine of the scapula. Supraspinatus runs underneath the acromion to insert on the greater tubercle of the humerus. Function: abduction of our arm. Infraspinatus muscle is located under the spine of the scapula. He originates in the infraspinous fossa, inserts on the greater tubercle of the humerus, below the insertion of the supraspinatus muscle. Function is external rotation of the humerus. Teres minor muscle specifically originate from the lateral scapular body and insert on the greater tubercle of the humerus. Main function of this muscle is external rotation and additionally adduction of the shoulder. Subscapularis muscle is triangle-shaped muscle originating at the subscapular fossa and inserting at the lesser tubercle of the humerus. Primary function is internal rotation of the humerus. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.